Shilpa, after so long, yeah, I mean, okay, at least on Zoom, but at least हम मिले तो
I know, at last.
at
देर आए
last.
दुरुस्त आए.
देर आए दुरुस्त आए. But congratulations, Hangama 2 is here, and the one thing सब बातें कर रहे हैं, चुरा के दिल मेरा. You have memories पहले जब शूट किए थे और अभी और वो सारा बीच पे शूट हो रहा है और ये तो सेट पे शूट था. Tell me the difference. How was it working then and how everything has changed now? मतलब वो difference बताना.
Difference तो है, I wouldn't deny that. Because at that time I knew nothing. I was 17 and a half when I shot that song. And वो गाना जो था वो सिनेमैटिक लिबर्टी लेके हम लोग मॉरिशस गए थे उसे शूट करने के लिए. और मैं बहुत बड़ी फैन थी, हूँ, हमेशा रहूंगी सरोज जी की. तो वो कोरियोग्राफ कर रही थी उस गाने को. मैं वो लेपर्ड प्रिंट वाला स्कर्ट और टॉप पहन के आई थी. लंबा था वो टॉप. हम लोग सैंड में शूट कर रहे थे और मैंने बाल बांधे हुए थे पोनी में. उन्होंने देखा मुझे, ऐसे हीरोइन के बाल हमेशा खुले होने चाहिए, पोनी निकाल दो, पोनी खोल दो. पोनी खोल दिया. उन्होंने बोला ये क्या है, ये आउटफिट, बुरखा पहन के आ जाती तुम. So she cut the outfit, she cut the top and she tied it into a knot. So I was so new. I had no experience and I just followed her blindly. And मुझे जितना भी श्रेय मिला है उस गाने के लिए आज तक, वो सरोज जी की वजह से मिला, बिकॉज मुझे कुछ आता नहीं था. ये जो 2.0 वर्जन हमने किया इस बार, दिस टाइम इट वाज अ सिचुएशनल सॉन्ग and it was with someone who is literally like a newcomer. You know, he's so young, Mizan, but he's so amazing. He's again a very very spontaneous actor, and pressure uske upar bhi bahut zyada tha because he had to obviously live up to, you know, Akshay in the song, and he's performing with me who has already done it like 25 years ago. So in comparison to him, I think I had less pressure. But I think it all worked out well because it was Priyan. We had a really good choreographer who realized that song ke soul ko nikalna nahi chahiye. So we kept those original movements. And Anu, who had done the music for the old song, did the music for this version.
Also, you don't look anything like 25 years के बाद शिल्पा शेट्टी shoot कर रही है.
I love you. I love you, Abhina. I love you. Yeah, but it is.
But ये सब बोलते होंगे शिल्पा, come on, you look
मैं
as
मना
fresh.
नहीं करूँ, मैं बिल्कुल मना नहीं करूंगी. मैं एक्सेप्ट करती हूँ कि बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं ये बात, और मैं अप्रिशिएट करती हूँ कि ये एक्नॉलेज करते हैं कि मेहनत जारी है. I feel like when they acknowledge, I feel के चलो जो मैं कर रही हूँ वो सही कर रही हूँ, योगा से ही होगा.
I wanted to know what made you sign Hangama 2. That कि भाई ये प्रियदर्शन थे कि परेश रावल थे कि ये चुरा के दिल मेरा का रीमेक था, मतलब क्या था, ये क्या हो गया?
थोड़ा सब था. And I'd also signed Hangama because I couldn't say no to Ratanji because he introduced me in Bazigar and मैं खिलाड़ी तोड़ाड़ी धड़कन जैसी बड़ी बड़ी हिट फिल्में दी है हमने. And he said to me that I know you always wanted to work with Priyan and I'm doing this film. और ये लड़की का जो किरदार है वो परेश के ऑपोजिट है, लेकिन she is supposed to be 20 years younger to परेश जी. So I said wow, and then he threw the googly and he said मैं चुरा के दिल मेरा का 2.0 वर्जन रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, एंड अगर तुमने किया तो कमाल हो जाएगा. ये सुन के मैंने मतलब I said there's no way in hell I'm not doing this because I don't want this song to go to any other hero. that was the main reason.
How was it working with Priyadarshan? Tell me that.
Amazing. I've done many films. I've done nearly 60, 62 movies, but I've never worked with a maker who says, artist, it doesn't matter who you are. Stand here, give the shot, the light is going. He's not interested. I literally go there like a student. I used to go to the shoot like मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आता. I used to actually feel like I'm a newcomer. But that's how I approach my work even now. I think that's what's kept me alive. But with Priyan sir, he's another institution only. He's an institution in himself. He's another school of filmmaking.
All of us, we always have this body image issues, okay? But हमको शिल्पा शेट्टी जैसा बॉडी चाहिए, ठीक है, हम सबको चाहिए. लेकिन क्या शिल्पा शेट्टी को कभी लगता है कि ये ठीक नहीं है, I need to work on this, or have insecurities about your body?
When Vian was born, I put on around 32 kilos. Because I just let go of myself. मैं पागल हो गई थी, मैं सब कुछ खा रही थी, मुझे तो रीजन चाहिए था खाने के लिए. और फिर एक दिन मैंने रियलाइज किया कि भैया तो मैंने बहुत ज्यादा वेट पुट ऑन कर लिया है. तो आई एम ऑल्सो लाइक यू गाइज. इट्स नॉट लाइक it comes naturally. So if I were to not take care of myself, if I was not to be disciplined, I would also put on weight. I prioritize what is important, what is not, and I live this with yogic principles. I want to have JLo's body. So bolo. We all have benchmarks.
So Shilpa Shetty wants to have JLo's body. Okay.
Yeah, because she's 50, 52, I think she is now. And that's amazing. I mean, look at that. So there are people who inspire me too. And I want to be my best when I'm 65. I've kept the benchmark so high for me. And not just by shape. I mean by health, by fitness. I want to be able to run around. And for me, my reason to stay fit is not to look good. Yeah. My reason is totally different. I want to have strength. I want to have agility. I want to be able to have hand and eye coordination because my son is 9. You've seen the way he runs. And I want to do everything. Now my daughter is 1.5. So by the time she's 5, I'll be Jennifer Lopez. For people who need a goal, and to make them realize that despite being so busy and doing so much, having 2 kids, if I can do it, you can do it easily. You just have to be disciplined. You have to be very, very positive, and you have to take care of what goes into your mouth. That's very important. So that's that. If you get these 3 things right, you're sorted.